All right, someone asked how easy it is to remove the 48 backhoe off this John Deere 4610, and we're here in back of it. Just give you a quick overview, but it really isn't too bad. There's not currently a three-point hitch with this, but that they're easily available. But Greg here is going to talk about, go ahead with the pins here, Greg.
Well, first you would you'd put the downriggers down, you'd put the bucket down, and you'd get the tension off these pins right here.
One on each side.
There's one on each side right here. Once you pop them pins out, then you'd use the downrigger level or levers, and you would raise this whole unit up off the back of the tractor, and then you come over here and you pop the lines off, and then you could drive the tractor out from it.
Okay, are they quick disconnects or regular?
They're quick, yep.
Quick disconnects, so it shouldn't be too long. If you get good at it, I suppose a couple minutes.
Like 5 minutes?
5 minutes at the most. Okay, and again, we've had it parked here all weekend. There's no leaks under it. And thank you.